Hey guys, Vince here from AU Focus and Born to Roam. I'm here today visiting our diesel heater factory. This is where we manufacture all of our Born to Roam and AU Focus diesel heaters. This video really is just centered around giving you guys a bit of an insight into some of the workmanship, some of the processes and some of the quality control aspects that go into making our diesel heaters. So enjoy the video.